Hello, respected sir, and my dear friends. Hope you all are well during this COVID crisis. Firstly, thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself to you. This is Yashwant Kumar from ECE B section, and my roll number is 20BQ180473. Today, I am here to give the seminar presentation about the anonymous function. The other name for the anonymous function is known as lambda function. Let's see the outcome of the anonymous function. From this topic, the developer or the learner is able to use the anonymous function in the various applications of the Python programming. Let's see the concept of the anonymous function. The anonymous function contains the small piece of code. It stimulates the inline functions of the C and C++, but it is not exactly the inline function. Let's discuss the inline function in briefly. The inline function is the optimization technique used by the compilers. So it is written in the one line code which is similar to the inline function but not exactly. Python allows us to not declare the function in standard manner by using the def keyword. Rather than the anonymous functions are declared by using the lambda keyword. Syntax is the lambda which takes the arguments list with colon and the expression. In Python, the anonymous function is also called as the lambda expression, which is defined as the function that is defined without the name. Sometimes the lambda expression is also said to be the lambda function. The lambda function can take the n number of arguments but contains only the one expression, and the result of that expression is returned as the return value. Before going into the example of the anonymous function, let's see the points to be remembered. The points are: the keyword lambda is used to create only the lambda expressions. The lambda expression must contain only one expression which is evaluated and returned. The lambda expression is called using the name of variable to which the lambda expression is assigned. The lambda expression don't use the keyword return, but it automatically returns the result of the expression in the value. We can use the lambda expression anywhere the function is expected. The important and last important point is always we don't have to assign it to the variable. Let's see the syntax and the small example coding of the anonymous function. See the syntax of the lambda function and discussing about the small program. The syntax is the we have to use the lambda user keyword function followed by the arguments with colon and the expression. I am discussing about the multiple arguments to the lambda function. Let's write the coding. I am here to suppose to explain about the addition of the three integers. Let's take the lambda function with arguments a comma b comma c followed by the colon and the expression as a plus b plus c. First, next we have to assign the this whole expression or the syntax to the sum or the declare to the variable some variable. I am declaring it as the sum variable, and I am printing that sum function. Sum of I am passing the arguments as 12 comma 30 23 comma 34 to the sum variable. First of all, the compiler will come to the print statement. After that, the it see the compilation of the function call defined as the sum, and it will go to the syntax of the sum function and it will return the value. Let's see the output with running the program. The sum is getting as the 69. Hope that you got clear idea on the anonymous function with the example of the addition of the three numbers.